The Schluter KERDI-BOARD building panel is the perfect solution for setting tile on walls. KERDI-BOARD is lightweight, easy to handle, and quick and easy to install, unlike typical stud framing substrates such as gypsum board or cement backer boards, where additional measures must be taken to protect wall cavities from water and vapor penetration. KERDI-BOARD can be installed directly over either wood or metal wall framing in dry and wet areas. As we'll see in this video, plumb surfaces and square corners can be achieved, and waterproofing requires minimal effort. The minimum KERDI-BOARD thickness for installation over wall framing is 1/2 inch for studs spaced at 16 inches on center, and 3/4 inch for studs spaced at 24 inches on center. KERDI-BOARD is easily cut to size using a utility knife. The grid lines printed on the boards help to make straight, clean cuts. Check out our Working with KERDI-BOARD video for all of the details on cutting, fastening, and waterproofing your KERDI-BOARD application. Keep in mind that any bathroom fixtures, such as grab bars in showers or wall-mounted toilets, must be anchored in the structure or solid blocking behind KERDI-BOARD. KERDI-BOARD can be mounted horizontally or vertically on the framing, with appropriate screws and corresponding Schluter KERDI-BOARD ZT washers. Let's take a look at an application over framing. For wood framing applications, please see our video entitled How to Wet Shim KERDI-BOARD Over Studs for tips on how to help ensure the finished walls are flat and plumb with square corners. When installing over wood framing, use coarse thread screws, such as the KERDI-BOARD ZS screws, reaching a depth of at least 3/4 of an inch in the studs. For applications over metal framing, use self-tapping screws, reaching a depth of at least 3/8 of an inch in the studs, in conjunction with the KERDI-BOARD ZT washers. Keep in mind, the vertical edges of each panel must be positioned over a stud or other solid backing. Make sure that your fasteners are slightly indented into the board. This will ensure minimal interference during waterproofing and tile installation. The maximum allowable on-center fastener spacing is 12 inches. Screws may be placed between adjacent panels so that the washers fasten both panel edges. The panel installation is complete. In dry areas, tile may be installed immediately over KERDI-BOARD. The KERDI-BOARD ZSA self-adhesive tape may be used to reinforce seams of adjacent KERDI-BOARD panels as required. KERDI-BOARD joints, corners, and fastener penetrations must be sealed with Schluter KERDI-BAND waterproofing strips in wet areas, such as showers, intermittent use steam showers, or bathtub surrounds. Tile can be set immediately after completing the waterproofing, if desired. Schluter KERDI-BOARD is the ideal surface for setting tile, almost anywhere you can imagine. Schluter KERDI-BOARD. Build it, tile it, love it.